Hello guys, welcome to this new session that is evading IDS firewall and HoneyPots. And in today's session, we are going to discuss about the IDS firewalls and honeypots, and these are the fundamental security mechanism designed to detect and prevent some unauthorized access to networks and systems. Like understanding how attacker evades this defense and can help in the building more robust security measures, like evading intrusion detection system like IDS. So like there are some methods like understanding IDS, the types and the functions. Like there are like two types, like network based, this is known as NIDs DS, and the other one that is host based, that is HIDS. So we have discussed that in the network session. So there are some functions like monitor the network traffic or system activities for the malicious activities or policies violation. So evasion of techniques are like fragmentations and like breaking down malicious payloads into similar packets to avoid some detection, and the encryption like using encrypted traffic to hide the payload from the IDS infection or inspection, like polymorphism, like that constantly changing malware code to avoid some signature based detection, and the traffic flooding, like overwhelming the IDS with a high volume of traffic, causing it to miss the actual attack, or timing attacks like sending malicious packets at very slow rate to stay under the IDS uh, detection. And there are some like practical demonstration like using fragouts, like demonstrate how to fragment the packets to evade the IDS detection. So like evading some firewalls, like understanding the firewalls and their types, like packet filtering, stateful inspection, proxies, and the next generation firewalls, that is also known as NGFW. So there are some filters like like functions like filters like incoming and outgoing traffic based on the predefined security rules, like evasion techniques like IP spoofing, port scanning, tunneling, protocol manipulation, proxy chaining, like using multiple proxy servers to hide from the outside the traffic. There are some practical demonstration using the nmap and the like nmap for the firewall evasion, like uh, altering the TTL value, fragmenting the packets, and the demonstration techniques such as using the decoys. So let's see the evading the honeypots. Like understanding honeypots, there are two types of honeypots, like low interaction and high interaction honeypots. Like there are some functions like description of the system designed to the lower attackers and study their behavior. There are some evasion techniques related to honeypots, like honeypot detection, like identifying the tailgate signs of the honeypot, like for example like unusual system behavior or specific network artifacts. So like fingerprinting, like analyzing the system responses to determine if the target is honeypot or not. So like there are some behavioral analysis, like monitoring how the system uh, reacts to specify inputs to detect the honeypot traps. So like there are some practical demonstration related to the honeypots, like using tools for nmap, snort, and honeyed, HONEYD, for detecting and evading some honeypots. So like evading IDS firewalls and honeypots require some deep understanding of these defensive mechanism and the technique used to bypass them. By studying these evasion methods, like security professionals can like do better, like anticipate potential threats and implement some stronger defenses. So this was the like evading some honeypots. So there are some like firewalls for mobiles. These firewalls can discuss like previously used for securing personal computers and the networks. Likewise, like some firewalls can secure the mobile device. So as you can see, there are some like firewalls, like ready-made firewalls in the devices, like you can see on the screen, like Firewall Gold, AF Wall Plus, and the other things. Quickly is one of the best security. It also has the firewall for that, like NetPatch firewall. There are some examples you can see in the PDF I have provided you, and I will also mention this below. You can check it out from there. So here are some honeypot tools like KF sensor and Spectre. Also, you can also check that. And these are the more deeply things you can check it out, like bypassing firewall. We have discussed this, and that's it for today's session. Uh, I hope so you can check this PDF. This is so deeply understanding or very deep PDF for the this module. So you can check this PDF and make sure you are checking all the PDFs time to time. So there will be no problem for the certification issue. So there will be a test in the end of the course. I will provide you a link. You can just fill the correct answers in the test. It will be Google form test. So if you will score more than 70%, you will get the certificates. uh, and that's it for today's session. Thank you for watching.